Good afternoon. Hope you all are doing all right. This is 2302 on Tuesday, April the 16th. We're on page 66. That's where we're going to begin today. And remind you at the beginning that you got to listen for 2 key words to email me today. And I'll remind you of those at the end of the semester. But during the time of this class today, there's going to be 2 key words. So we're going to forget all about those inversions today. We're going to go right to our friend, the Alberti bass. That's found on pages 66, 67. It's really just chords in the left hand broken up. You can read all those chords in that blue box there at the top of page 66. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play the left hand first, all the way through, and then the right hand, and then play them together so that you can play along with me. Okay, just a correction. Just remember, this is for Tuesday, April the 14th. All right, I'm going to do the left-hand part of Looking Glass River. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and rest. 2, 3, 1 chord. Measure 5. 5, 7. Rest, rest, rest. 1 chord. 4 chord. Move your thumb. 3. Go back to the 1 chord. 3. Alternate 5, 7. 1 chord. 13. 3 and rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. Now I'm going to play the right hand part all the way through. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. Little sequence in the right hand. 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3. Now both hands. I'm going to go just a little faster. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, Good. Now we're going to move on over to pages 72 and 73 till we find a dotted quarter note. Now, if you look at the top of page 72, that first little rhythm exercise there, line A in 2 beats to measure, you would clap it like this. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. In 2B, if I were going to tie the first 8th note to that quarter note, I would clap it like this. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. but there's a better way to write it, and that's in line number C. That's with a dotted quarter note. That dot adds half of the value of that note. So half of a quarter note is an eighth note. So I would clap line C the same as I did line B. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So I'm going to play a Christmas carol for you, Silent Night, and I want you to, I'm going to play a video for you. So do the video first, listen to Silent Night, listen to those dotted rhythms as you glance at page 72, because it's very similar until about the end, and then they play with it a little bit. But you can see where the dotted rhythms are, like in measures 1 and 3 and 5. See if you, as you listen, can circle those dotted rhythm patterns. All right, here's a cheap version of Silent Night from the internet. Well, you've discovered by now that I didn't mean Silent Night at all. I meant Deck the Halls. What can I say? I've been inside too long. All right, anyway, you could hear and you could see the title on the video that I played. I want you to listen now as I play the right-hand part of page 72 and 73 so you can hear the dotted rhythm patterns. Deck the Halls, page 72. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2. Left hand takes over. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's the right hand with a little left hand mixed in there. Let me go back now and play the whole thing. I want you to circle the measures, circle the whole measure that has a dotted rhythm. Here we go. Deck the keys with dotted quarters. 3 and 4 and 1, 2. 1, left hand. 2, 3, 1 and 2. All right, so that was Deck the Keys with lots of dotted rhythms. So what I want you to, if you need to listen to it again, you can go back and do that. I want you to circle the measures in your book that have a dotted rhythm. And then here's the second thing I need you to send me. The first thing, I need you to email me the word Alberti, because that was the name of the bass part in Looking Glass. And the second thing I need you to email me is how many measures have that dotted rhythm pattern in them. I can tell you it's somewhere between 8 and 15. All right, so see if you can find how many measures have that dotted rhythm pattern. Don't forget, on Thursday, I need you all to join our conference call. Oh, let's say about 2:25, somewhere in that neighborhood. I'll send you the link. You don't need to log in unless you want to. You're welcome to come at 2 o'clock, but that's for the other class, all right? Email me 2 things, though, before Thursday. The word Alberti and how many measures have the dotted rhythm pattern, all right? See you on Thursday.